right? The various things which are really new and really exciting in CSS3. First is rounded corners that we'll talk about. Second is you can use any font you like inside a web page. You can kind of animate things in a way as well inside CSS3. You can do drop shadows and box shadows. You can do, making stuff translucent or transparent, and you can have a way to code once in one CSS file and have it display properly no matter what the resolution. And we'll talk about all these things. There are a bunch of other things in CSS3 as well. Unfortunately, we have only 1 hour. The first thing I'll talk about is rounded corners, those sweet rounded corners. Like for example, you have this Twitter in which you can see all these rounded corners, all that sexy goodness, right? So how do you do this? Previously, you had to use 4 images, 1 for each corner, and do it inside a div. Like that, we have 3 extra divs, right? And it's added to the code flow, right? As people pointed out, unnecessary markup. Why is this bad? Because any unnecessary markup, any unnecessary code is bad, right? And this used to be done simply for the purposes of having 4 different rounded corners using images, right, with a stand. So this too is bad, right? And it makes developers bad. So instead of having that bad, redundant code, now you have rounded corners in which you can do this using pure CSS. So let's have a quick demo. So how do you do this? This is a quick demo. If you do this and see the code. I hope you can see the code, right? So if you want to do a rounded corner like this will be the code, right? Let's make all 4 corners like this. So now converted that square into a circle, right? So you can do all that kind of things using only pure CSS, right? Which is pretty nice. So make border radius your friend. How do you do rounded corners? There's a particular CSS property called border radius, right? Make it your friend. Learn it, use it, love it, right? This is how you do cross-browser border radius, right? If you want to make a div have corners on all 4 sides, just use border radius. There are certain, for example, Firefox, from Firefox 4.0 onwards, it will support just border radius, right? So you should always have this. But for older Firefox browsers, it only supports this, more border radius. So use this for supporting older Firefox browsers. And for older Safari browsers, which use the WebKit engine, use WebKit border radius, right? But the key thing to keep in mind is everyone is moving towards standardization. So all these vendor prefixes like mods and WebKit should be, I want to avoid it, but use them in conjunction with the standard ones, like border radius, right? The border radius, if you use just border radius, it's supported on IE9 Vita, it's supported on Opera, it's supported on Chrome, it's supported on Safari, it's supported on Firefox, right? So all major browsers, the newest versions support border radius. You can use them right now.